Hello everyone, so this is my Walgreens haul for this week, November 17 to November 23 of 2024. And thank you so much to all the staff of Walgreens. So the Catalina machine is down and the registered reward for the Oral-B and Colgate mouthwash did not print. And the manager just gave me a $6 Walgreens cash reward for the $3 registered reward that did not print in Oral-B and for the $3 registered reward for the Colgate mouthwash. So in my first transaction, I did a deal of the Crest or Oral-B Dental Care that priced for $3.50, or the other item that priced for $4. It's buy two and you will get a $3 registered reward. So I got the Oral-B toothbrush. So it's $3.50. So I picked the soft bristle, and this is my note for the Oral-B. So it's priced for $3.50. The two are $7. I used the $3 of 2 Oral-B digital coupon. I paid $4 and then I got my $3 Walgreens cash reward because the registered reward did not print, making it $1 or 50 cents each. And then the Colgate Dental Care that priced for $4.50 or $5.50 is buy two and you will get a $3 registered reward. So I just picked the Colgate Optic White mouthwash. This is the 473 ml. The toothbrush and the toothpaste is part of the promotion also. So the two mouthwash are $9 less the $3 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. I paid $6 and then I got my $3 Walgreens cash reward, making it $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. So this is my receipt. So the 2 Oral-B toothbrush are $7 and then the 2 mouthwash are $9. The 2 $3 digital coupon came off. My soft total here is $10 and then there is 36 tax. So I just redeemed $10 Walgreens cash reward and I just paid the 36 cents. And then I got a 6 cents for everyday points. And then the manager just gave me the $6 Walgreens cash reward. So making it $4 for 4 items or $1 each. So this is my second transaction. I used the spend $35 get $7 Walgreens cash reward paper booster that I got last week. The Nivea body wash is buy 3 and you will get a $5 Walgreens cash reward. I got 9 Nivea men body wash. And then the coupon that I use is this, the $5 of 2 Nivea body wash product from Save Insert. I able to use 4 of the $5 of 2 coupon and then 1 of this Nivea body wash product. So 1 pair, then 1 coupon, and then this one 1 pair coupon, and then 1 pair coupon, and then 1 pair coupon, and then the other one is the $2. And then the $2 Nivea digital coupon came off also. So I'm so happy that I save extra. So I got the Cool Body Wash, the 3-in-1 body wash. And then this is Menthol. And then the other one is Aloe Vera. So I got 9 Nivea Men body wash and this is my note for the Nivea. So it's priced for $5. So the 9 Nivea Men body wash are $45 less $5 of 2 Nivea manufacturing coupon from Save. So it's scanned. It did not beep or they don't override it. So the 4 coupons are $20 and then I use the $2 off Nivea coupon also from Save, and then the $2 off Nivea digital coupon came off. So I paid $21. I got $15 Walgreens cash reward in total because I got 9. So you can buy as many as you want as long as you don't use Walgreens cash reward to pay, because it will not give you the Walgreens cash reward if you use Walgreens cash reward for the deal that giving a Walgreens cash reward. So I got $15 and then I got my $7 Walgreens cash reward from the paper booster, and then I got $1.33 for everyday points. So total are $23.33, making it free plus $2.33 money maker. So this is my receipt. So everything went smoothly. All the coupons for Nivea scan, and then the $2 digital coupon came off. So here I paid $21. So it did not show here, but I got my $23.33, and I will pop up in the screen. And then in my third transaction, I just got some Febreze fabric. So the Febreze Gain or Mr. Clean is $3 for $9, and I'm able to use 4 of this buy one get one Febreze coupon from Save Insert. So it deduct $3 per pair. So I use 4 of this, and this is my coupon. So I got Gain Scent, I got Pet Odor Fighter, and then I got 1 of the Downy. And this is my note for the Febreze fabric. So it's priced for $3 or $3 for $9. So the 8 items are $24, less 4 buy one get one Febreze manufactured coupon from Save. So it deduct $3 per pair. So the 4 coupons are $12. So I paid $12 for 8 items, or $1.50 each. And then the Scat Comfort Plus is $5. The paper towel, the 4 roll, is $5 also. So I got 2 of the Scat Comfort Plus. And then there is $1.25 IBC digital coupon that deduct $2.50 for 2 Scott, and then there is $2 digital coupon also that attached to the Scott Comfort Plus. So this is my note for the Scott. So it's priced for $5, and the 2 are $10, less $2.50 IVC coupon, and then $2 off 2 Scott digital coupon. I paid $5.50 for 2 items, or $2.75 each. And this is my receipt for the Febreze and Scott. So the 4 Febreze here, and then another 3 here. And then there's another one here. So I got 8 Febreze fabric, and then the Scott. And then the IBC for Scott deduct here. And then all the coupon for Febreze scan. And then the $2 digital coupon for the Scott. So here my soft total is $17.50. There is 72 cents tax. I used the store credit because I returned some items last time. So I did not use my Walgreens cash reward. I just used the store credit. And then I got 31 cents for everyday points. So making my transaction $17.50 for 10 items, or $1.75 each. So this is my 4th transaction. So I did again the deal of Nivea body wash. So it's buy 3 and you will get a $5 Walgreens cash reward. And I use again 3 of this $5 off to Nivea body wash manufactured coupon from Save. So I got 1 of the Nivea men body wash. So this is the last one. And then I got 2 of the Botanical Blossoms. And I got 3 of this Nourishing Serum. And this is the 20 ounce. So I got 6 Nivea body wash. And I used 3 of this manufactured coupon from Save. So this is my note for the Nivea. So the Nivea men is $5. And then the 5 Nivea women's body wash is $30. It's priced for $6. My soft total is $35. I used 3 $5 off to Nivea manufactured coupon from Save. So total are $15. So I paid $20. And then I got my $10 Walgreens cash reward for buying 6 Nivea. So it's times 2 for the $5. And then I got $1.19 for the everyday points. So I got $11.19 in total, making it $8.81 for 6 items, or $1.46 each. So this is my receipt in my transaction. So everything went smoothly. I don't have a paper booster or digital booster. So the $5 of 2 Nivea coupon scan. And here I got 1 of the men, and then 2 of the Botanical Blossom, and then 3 of the Nourishing Care. And then here I just paid $20. There is $1.20 tax. And then I got $11.19. So this is in the other card. So I got my $10 for buying 6 Nivea, and then $1.19 for everyday points. So making it $1.46 for Nivea body wash for each one. So this is my last transaction. So I found some clearance items. So the Walgreens brand vitamins is on clearance, and it's part also of buy one get one free. I got also some Asper cream. They have tons of Asper cream and Walgreens brand vitamins, but I only bought like 6 of the Walgreens brand so that the other customer also can take advantage of the clearance. And then the Walgreens D3 dietary supplement. This is the 400 soft gel. The regular price of this is $39.99. It's on clearance for $3.99. So I only paid for the one, and then I got the other one for free. And then the second pair, so the vitamin C 400 tablets is on clearance also for $3.99. The regular price is $39.99. So I only pay for the vitamin C 400 tablet, and I got the 300 tablets for free. That it's on, the regular price is $38.99. So it's buy one and get one free, buy one and then get one free. So even it's on clearance, it's still count on a buy one get one free. And then the D3 400 soft gel is, it ranked $3.19 in this pair. And then the D3 200 soft gel, I got it for free. The regular price of this is $19.99. And then I got some Asper cream. So the Asper cream is on clearance for $3.49. And then the expiration of this is December of 2025. Both are December of 2025. So it's on clearance for $3.49. And then the Walgreens sensitive cream. This is on clearance also. So the stock price modified it to $1.99 because it's not coming off. It's on clearance even though there is a tag. And there is no expiration date on this one. And then the 1 a day men's vitamins. This is on clearance also for $2.39. I only have one. But last week, I got some of the Centrum vitamins for women that is on clearance also. So this is, the regular price of this is $23.99. So this is my receipt for my clearance find. So here the Walgreens brand vitamins is buy one get one free. So the 400 count is $3.99, and I got the other one for free. And then the other one is $3.99, and then I got the 300 count for free. And then here another 400 count, and it's priced for $3.19 here, and then the other one is free. And then the 2 Asper cream is $6.98. The regular price of that is $13.99, and then the cream has been price modified for $1.99. So here I paid $20.14. And then I got some of the everyday points, 72 cents everyday points. And then this is my receipt for the vitamins. It's $2.39. So I just used the leftover store credit in my other transaction. So my total savings for my transactions are $371.20. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.